Hello everyone, welcome to our new Excel tutorial video. In this video, we have planned to teach you about the top 10 Excel features that are mostly used while working with Excel. So let us start with the set of data. We have a set of data on which we shall teach you these 10 features. First of all, merge and center. Let's see how it is done. Look what we have done here. We have taken 5 columns, that is serial number, brand, model, price and category. Now we want to give a header of all the columns. So how will it give it? We shall select all the columns and click merge and center. It is situated in the home tab. Click merge and center. Now you can type over here. Now you can increase the font and everything and click. Okay, fine. Now look, the serial number is blank. We are going to teach you about auto number. You can see the serial number is blank over here. It is intentionally kept blank, so I can show you how this auto number feature works. Type 1 in the first cell and type 2 in the second cell. Now we have to select the two cells and drag it up to the end where I like to increase the value up to the range. Or we can do another way, that keep 1 and 2, rest of the values let me delete. Select 1 and 2. Now this little rectangle at the right bottom corner is called the fill handle. Now get the cursor over here. Look, the cursor gets changed. Double click on the fill handle and it will automatically populate our auto number series. Okay, what is next? Sum. Sum is very simple. Most of you know. Here we can calculate the sum. There we have a shortcut, that is Alt and equals to. When I press Alt and equals to, the sum of this series is calculated using the sum function. We have to just put enter. Otherwise we can use or type the sum function ourselves, or we can use the formula using the plus sign and the cell address. But this one is the most simplest way. Well, next, nested if. This is very important feature of MS Excel. Here, see, this category column is also blank. This category column we shall fill with nested if statement. What we will do, we have different prices of mobile phones. Now we are let's say we have a condition that if the price goes down than 10,000, then it is a budget mobile. If the price is between 10,000 and 20,000, then it is a moderate range mobile. And if the price goes beyond 20,000, then it is premium range mobile. These conditions we shall apply through nested if. How it is done? Start with equals to symbol and type if. Let me increase the font for you. Equals to if. If the cell address D3 is greater than, say, 20,000, comma, quotation, the true value must be given here, that is premium. Quotation closed, comma. Now if we have one condition, then we shall give the false value over here, but we have a multiple conditions or 3 conditions, then another if statement must be started. Same way, D3 greater than 10,000, comma, quotation, moderate. comma else part, the last false value is budget. Quotation close, number of parentheses open must be equal to the number of parentheses closed. Now push enter and show this is showing moderate. Same way we can double click on the fill handle. Well, another very important thing can be done with this value is conditional formatting. Like we want to show the value and show the category, like moderate will be shown in yellow, premium will be shown in red, and the budget will be shown in green. So how can it be done? Select this range. It is already selected. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and text that contains, say, red, light red filled with dark red text. Here we type premium. Okay. Now you can see all the premium values are in red. Same way we will change this into yellow and type over here moderate. Okay, same way budget. Now you can see this is conditional formatting. There are many other ways you can format your cell values, like greater than, less than, equals to, between. We have used text that contains. Now what's next? Well, we have covered nested if, conditional formatting. Now the sort and filter and protection of sheet and workbook, data validation and Vlookup. Let's start with sorting. Here, see the sort and filter option is given in the home tab. What is sorting? Sorting is arranging your data in ascending order or descending order. First of all, we would like to see the values or the price in a low price to high price. Select the range and click over here, sort smallest to largest. Now we have given two options, expand the selection and continue with the current selection. If we click continue with the current selection, then only this value, this price column's value will be sorted. But we need to rearrange these columns also. So we shall go to expand the selection and click sort. Now you can see all these values are sorted from smallest to largest. This is the smallest to largest sort of number value. Now if we want to sort from A to Z of this text values, how it will be done? Select this range and click custom sort. Add level, sort by brand, then by model, and click OK. Now you can see all these models, all these brands are sorted, and inside this brand, these models are also sorted. So this is our sorting. Now we shall show you the filter. Select and click filter. Now see all these column headers got an drop down arrow. Now we can see only the value we want to see. Like we want to see the Vivo mobiles and click OK. Then only our Vivo mobiles are shown. And over here all this price range and all these brand models are shown. We want to see 60. Okay, only the value is shown. This is sorting and filter. What we have left with protection of sheet and workbook. Protection of sheet and workbook can be done from this review tab. We have two options, protect sheet and protect workbook. What is sheet? this one sheet 1, this is our sheet, and all this collection sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and if you need you can add more sheets. So this entire collection is workbook. So we shall see how the sheet is protected. Click protect sheet, and there are many options what we can do and what not. Select locked cells, select unlocked cells, format cells, all those things. Now you can click a password, let's say 123, and click OK. Re-enter 123. Okay. Now if we want to edit, it is showing that the cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. You can read, you can see, but you cannot edit. For this, you need to click unprotect sheet and put the password. Now you can change the value. Protect sheet and data validation. Well, using data validation, we like to make a list of all the models that are available in this database. For this, we have to click on data and click on data and data validation. We have to select a cell and click data validation. Then the data validation window will appear. From the settings tab, go to list. Now for this list, they needs the source. Click over here and select the source. We select the models and just click OK. You can see a little drop down has appeared, and in this drop down you can display the models of the mobile phones as a list. Last thing, Vlookup. Using Vlookup, what we will do, we shall populate the price of this particular model in this cell. When a model is selected, automatically the price of that model will be selected or populated in the cell. For this, we have to type the Vlookup formula. How this formula works? Say equals to, and let me increase the font again. Equals to Vlookup, Vlookup, vertical lookup. Now, where it will look? It will look in this cell, I3, comma, table array. Which one is the table array? This model, and we want to populate the price. So this is our table array. Now it asks for column index number. Which one is column index number? If this model is our first column, then price is our second column, and we want to show the price. So this one is 1 and this one is 2. Put 2 over here, add comma. Now it wants whether true match or exact match. We want exact match. False, you can type 0 over here also. Now press enter, and you can see the price of this V11 Pro 23250. V11 Pro 23250. Select another one, say Galaxy A7 21990. Galaxy A7 21990. So our Vlookup and list population or data validation is absolutely right. As we have said, we shall cover all these 10 most commonly used features of MS Excel. So these are the features. Hope you understand. If you have any problem, you are free to contact us. Thanks for watching. See you in next videos.